Hello and welcome to the first episode of Vishwakant News. Over here we are going to describe astrology, mundane astrology, in a way how astrology is affecting society. Okay, and what are the changes which are going on in the society which are also represented with the astrological events. Okay, so we'll start with basic news of India and news of the world. Slowly and steadily we'll understand every day whether there are how to study the current news, current affairs, future prediction. Okay, so basically this is the first predictive news in India. Okay, I am bringing you a first predictive news. Okay. Let's study from charts and from India and from around the world. Okay, so from India we'll take two news today, and from the world we'll take next two news. Okay, for today we'll just take the news of two India and two news of India and two news of around the world. Let's take the current affairs. Okay, so talking about the current affairs, I will be making some chart and explaining you about things which are happening around and why things are happening and how it will end. Okay, so let's check over here. Let's say Chandigarh news. The Chandigarh University protest which started on 17th and 18th of September. Okay, and the videos got viral around 16th 17th of September. Okay, so let's take the morning time of 16th September and see what are the conditions. Okay, let's say around which time the videos were got viral. Okay, so let's take a time around. And rather than taking the time, what is more considerate is to understand what are the conjunctions, because things are going to turn, but the conjunctions and the yogas are going to stay for a longer time. So what is affecting a large amount of audience is the conjunction, is not the spaces. Things are turning round and round and round, but the conjunctions are staying intact for a long period of time. So when we are understanding how to decipher things which are going on in the social environment, what we have to see is we have to see the time and conjunction. Okay, so let's for around I took a time of around 2 p.m. okay, in the afternoon of the 16th December when the videos got leaked. Okay, so first of all what you see is Jupiter is in retrograde. So the planet of study, knowledge, wisdom is in retrograde, which means there are some setbacks in Jupiter way. Okay, and in the afternoon time, Jupiter on through the reference of India was positioned in the 4th house. Okay, 4th house, Jupiter being in retrograde. What happens? See, first of all, what is 4th house? 4th house is about your stay, your home, where you are staying. Now, consider Jupiter, Jupiterian place of stay. Is it hostel? Yes, because hostel is something which is related to knowledge and wisdom, that is university, but it is also a place to stay. Okay, so Jupiter in the 4th house in the afternoon denotes hostels. Not in the afternoon, but Jupiter in the 4th house is also hostels, because a place of stay of students, Gurukul. Okay, and it is in retrograde, so it is going behind, it is lagging behind, there are setbacks since Jupiter is in retrograde. Okay, now see, how the setbacks are. See. Next, we will see the conjunctions. Conjunctions are to be seen first. See, Sun and Venus conjunction is taking place. And Sun and Venus conjunction is taking place in the 5th zodiac. That is Leo. Now, Sun is the central government. Venus is again a girl, feminine energy. Now, the feminine energy is inflicting the Sun. Sun and Venus are not good. Sun is authority and power, and Venus is the feminine energy. Okay. So what is happening is Sun and Venus are colliding. There are going to be multiple disputes in the central government of India because of women. Why? Venus. Disputes. And Sun is government. When Sun and Venus collide, it is not a good time. Plus, Venus was in Leo, where Sun is the ruler. So, who is being suppressed? Venus is being suppressed. I think today, that is around 25th or 26th, right? Today, Venus is transiting to the Virgo. But when these things happened, Venus was in Leo, Sun was in Leo, and Sun was in his old Rashi, Swagriya. Okay, so who is more powerful? Sun is more powerful. The government authority is more powerful, and what is being inflicted? Venus is being inflicted. Okay, now let's see. Let's see rage, outrage. Now all the outrage is again Mars. Mars is the warrior, rage, anger, everything. Okay, so Mars is sitting with Moon. Okay, Mars and Moon are together. So again, see, public outrage, rage, anger is because of what? It is because of Moon. What is Moon? Moon is emotions. Moon is the aspect of emotions and mind. So there was an emotional outrage. The spark of emotional outrage happened during the afternoon of 16th September 2022 in Chandigarh because Moon and Mars are together. Moon and Mars are together at that time in the 6th house. Okay, and Moon is watching the 12th house. So who is going to win? The outrage is going to win. Moon is looking at the 12th house. It has the support of the spiritual enlightenment. It has the support of the God. So who is going to win? Moon is going to win. Where is Mars looking? Mars is looking 4th and the 8th house from itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Mars is looking at the 1st house and 9th house. What happens when Mars is looking at the 1st house? Something related to what you say, dirty thinking. Mars in 1st house is obviously something related to a dirty behavior. Okay, the 8th aspect of Mars, the most dangerous. Mars' 8th aspect over here was at Lagna, but the videos got leaked. Okay, so what types of video got leaked? Shameful videos got leaked. From where it got leaked? From Jupiter in retrograde in 4th house. 4th house, it is the house of stay. House of stay, Jupiter inside it, that is hostels. It is in retrograde. There is a setback in hostels because of the emotional outrage happening due to wicked, dirty thinking of people. Okay, and what is being affected? Why is this thing taking place? Because of Sun and Venus conjunction. The authority was supposed to face problem because of Venus. Okay, but who is winning at last? Moon is winning at last because Moon is watching the 12th house. Mars is not watching the 12th house. Mars is watching the 1st house. And the 4th aspect is again in the 9th house. So Mars is not going to win. Okay, but see, now Rahu is sitting in the... Now, okay, Saturn is in retrograde also. Nobody could bribe. Saturn is in retro. If Saturn is not in retro, money is going to be in power. But over here, Saturn is in retro. Money is not going to be in power. Whether you have money or not, don't have money. Nobody can bribe when Saturn is in retro. Understand this? Bribe is finished when Saturn is in ratio retro. There is no bribing when Saturn is in retrograde. Money is not going to help you do your bullshit things. Okay, so Saturn was in retrograde, so no bribe could work. There was a massive outrage. Okay, now let's see the days further. Okay, further to these days was, let's take around 17th when the outrage began. Okay, 17th September when the outrage began. Around same time, let's say after. Okay. See, at 17th, Sun is in Virgo. Sun went in Virgo on 17th. Okay, so what happened? Buddha Aditya. But Buddha over here was in retrograde. Buddha was in 10th house, but it was in retrograde. So bad speech. Bad speech is being glorified. Everything is glorified because Mercury was in retrograde and Sun came over there. Okay, but what happened? Separation of Sun and Jupiter, Sun and Venus. So now it was not just females protesting, it was a massive outrage where even males and females, both without considering gender, are protesting. Okay, so there is no gender biasness, both are protesting in its own way. Okay, because Venus went out from the scene and Mercury came. Mercury is genderless. There is no biasness of gender over here. Both are protesting against the Sun. Okay. And it is continued till, and it was continued till around 19th, I guess. On the 19th, they ended the protest. Okay. So let's take the 19th chart of 19th. See, around 11 a.m. in the 19th September, the protest ended. Okay, so at 11 a.m. at Chandigarh, Mars and Moon are being separated. Till that time, Mars and Moon were together, so there was an outrage. Now, Mars and Moon are being separated. So, outrage has come down. The emotional outrage has dropped. Why? Mars is separated from the Moon. Till that time, Mars and Moon were together till 19th September. See exactly what time did Mars and Moon separate itself. Let's take around 7 a.m. Yes. 2 a.m. Yes. Take around okay, Mars and Moon were separated around one day early, that is 18th September. So, as soon as the Mars and Moon got separated on 18th September, the outrage started to decline. There was a settlement. But since when the outrage began, the Moon was watching the 12th house. Who was winning? The outrage was winning. There was no bribe because Saturn was in retrograde. Nobody could give bribe. Bribe is not going to work. Only actions are going to work because Moon is watching the 12th house. It has the support. So emotions got the support. It became the changing factor. Okay, so no matter who were they were tremendously, instantaneously caught. Okay, ઢીલાસ ન દેખાડી શકે એમાં. ઢીલાસ ક્યાંથી દેખાડે? Okay, but it ended in the 19th September. Okay, so 19th September around 11 it ended. So around 11 a.m. Mars was in the 7th house. See again, Mars went in the 7th house. It started when Mars was in 6th house. When it ended, Mars is in 7th house. Okay, see the Mars changes house. and separated itself from moon, the protest Saturn. Suddenly, okay, but not suddenly, but after the result, okay, and still Saturn is in retrograde. That means money is not the factor. Nobody could bribe it. Nobody could bribe the circumstance. Nobody. Okay, and Sun and Mercury went in the 11th house, and Venus was in 10th house. There was a glorification of emotional victory. Okay, the dharma of Venus got victorious. Okay, so Venus in 10th house, Mars and Moon got separated. Venus won. Okay, and Moon again went in the 8th house, that is sorrow. So now, those who produce the emotional worries are being sorrowed, punished. So, the process of catching those people started. Okay, and I think within the end of that day, they were caught. So, and it was, I think, the study was suspended till 22nd of September, I guess. Till 22nd, I guess, the studies were suspended, right? So, let's see what happens on the 22nd September, okay? Let's take 23rd September to see what changes come. See, now, Venus and Moon are being conjuncted. But in, okay, so Venus and Moon, elliptic, like, but it is in 5th house. In Leo, sorry, 5th Rashi in Leo. So neither of them are powerful. The Rashi Lord is Sun, and Venus and Moon are sitting over there. Neither of them are powerful. So the government is taking control. The authority has taken control. Over both. Over the emotional outrage and the reason of emotional outrage. Both. So people are being caught. Okay. So this was a bigger issue. Okay. Now see, the same time, around the same time, there was a killing of a girl in Uttarakhand, which is like in news till date. Okay. So the girl was killed on 17th, again 17th September. Okay. So let's take the date again. 17th September. Okay. The girl was killed at, I think, around evening night. Okay. Let's take the timing as 8 p.m. So what again we see? Moon and Mars are together at 17th September. Emotional outrage. Okay. So the same thing. Who is being the reason of anger? Who is being the reason of rage? Who is being the reason, the cause of rage? It is Moon. Emotional outrage when Moon and Mars are together. No matter it is Adishesh Chandramangal Yoga, but it means there is some emotional outrage. Okay. So because of Moon and Mars, there was emotional outrage. And there was a killing. There was a killing of a girl. Again, Venus. Sun and Venus were together. I guess till what hour they were together? They were together till okay, they got separated. In the morning they got separated. Okay. Sun and Venus were separated. In the morning, Sun went in the, okay, yes, it was Sankranti time. Sun went in the Virgo. So, but still see, Moon and Mars are together. So the reason of outrage is also going to stay. No matter Sun and Venus are not together, but the emotional outrage is going to happen. But just because Sun transited from one zodiac to another zodiac, there is a change. Moon is common, emotional outrage is common, women is common. Because Moon and Mars together fight with women, common. But Sun was in 5th house with Venus, a different outcome. Sorry, 5th Rashi, different outcome. Now Sun goes into Virgo. Virgo Sun is totally different sun. Virgo Sun is not Sinha Sun. Till Sun is sitting in Sinha Rashi, Leo Rashi. Who was in charge? Government was in charge. Now Sun is going in Virgo. And Mercury is already in retrograde. So who is going to go in retrograde? Government authorities. And who was indulged in the killing of Ankita Bhandari? Ruling party leader. Whatever the ruling party was, the leader of the ruling party was indulged in the killing of that girl. Why? Because the girl could not satisfy his sexual desires. Again, Mars was a problem. See, two events taking place differently. One took place in Chandigarh, one took place in Uttarakhand. Both during the same time. One when the sun was in Leo, another was when the sun went in Virgo. When the sun was in Leo and everything happened, nobody was harmed. Yes, a girl died, but when the things inflicted, nobody was harmed. Second, another girl died, but she was killed. Sun is in Virgo. Sun in Leo, the girl did suicide. Sun in Virgo, girl killed. See the difference. But the happenings are same. Why? Because of the Moon and Mars conjunction. Outrage began, emotional outrage. A girl killed and a girl suicide. Both led to emotional outrage. Moon and Mars conjunction was giving out tremendous effect over here. Why? Another thing was because it was around new moon time. Okay, sorry, big moon time. So moon was in its peak state. Okay, but see the difference and see how it is connected. Okay, because Moon and Mars, there was going to be some problems and affairs related to emotional outrage, and Venus or Moon was going to be the reason. Women was going to be the reason, and it happened. Nobody could stop it. It happened. In the first case, the government could control it. In the second case, Sun went in Virgo and the Lord of Virgo is already in retrograde. So it was a blame on the Sun, the blame on the ruling party, the blame on the central government. See, Mercury is in retrograde in Virgo. But who is suffering? The Sun is suffering because of the retrograde Mercury in the Virgo. It is reverse Buddha Aditya. People are suffering. The central government is suffering. Power is suffering because the Wazir is going backward. Mercury is going backward. Okay. So this was a change. And see, in all this time, Saturn was in retrograde. Bribe would not work. Bribe क्या किया ले सकी तो retrograde में पैसा ना बाहर आ रहा है getting it. So Shani was again in retrograde. So nobody could bribe everything, and everything outrage had to come out. Okay, and the reason of the outrage was again women because of the Moon Mars conjunction. But two different. One was suicide, another was killing. Okay, one was suicide and another was killing because Sun changed from Leo, it went into Virgo. Okay, let's take one more example. Again, the same thing I will show you. The next example is, let's take the Iranian outrage. Okay, in Iran there is an outrage going on, and it is also because of women. The compulsion and non-compulsion of wearing a hijab. Okay, and there is also an emotional outrage. Why? Moon and Mars conjunction. Okay, so let's study. So when did Iranian outrage begin? Okay, so I am watching over here. Iranian outrage began on again 16th September 2022, roughly at night. Okay, so let's take 16th September 2022. Okay, and roughly at night we'll take around. Okay, the girl died in 16th September 2022, roughly at night, and after 3 days the protest started. Okay, so let's take the chart of 16th September roughly at night. So let's take roughly at night. That means around. Let's take 9:30. Okay. Now, see, there is a third thing over here. The girl is neither doing suicide, the girl is neither killed. The death of the girl was a mistake. Okay, see, this is the third thing, because there is a change in the position. From Iran, there is a change. India and Iran are quite far, so longitudes and latitudes are changing. So the girl is not dying. The girl is not doing suicide. The girl is not being killed. Okay. It was because of a mishap and a mistake that the girl died. She was being punished, but because of intense, unstoppable rage, the girl died. So what was the reason of death of a girl? It was rage. Okay, and unstoppable rage. And it was a mistake. So for a mistake, we'll have to see Ketu. Where is Ketu? Ketu is in 6th house. See again, Ketu went in 6th house, Rahu went in 12th house, around midnight. Okay, not midnight, around 9:30 give or take the time. And as always, Sun and Venus are together on that day in Sinkha Rashi, Leo. So the government is in power. So government used its power inappropriately. Didn't it? It did. So the government is using the power inappropriately. But what is stopping it? Venus is stopping it. A female energy is stopping it. A girl is stopping it. And will it be able to stop it? See, Venus is looking at the 10th house. Sun is looking at the 10th house. The entire world is going to be one on this hijab issue. Okay? Obviously. Because Sun is looking at the 10th house, Venus is looking at the 10th house. This is a small point of fire which is going to burn forests. Okay? Because what happened? A girl died. Again, Mars Moon conjunction. There was a problem. Where is the 8th aspect of Mars to the 8th house? Death. Moon is looking at the 7th house. Okay. The reason was the mentality of opposite sex. Whatever the reason was, there was an emotional outrage. Wasn't it? Yes. Even in Iran, yes. Because of a girl, yes. But since from that projectile, the planets are different. The girl neither did suicide, the girl neither got killed. The girl died by mistake. Okay. And at the time when the girl died, Sun is looking at the 10th house, Venus is looking at the 10th house. What do you think? Will this thing go off? It is definitely not going to go off. Because even Jupiter is in retrograde, the authorities are in retrograde. When the authorities are in retrograde, what is going to happen? Uncontrollable situation. Because authority is itself in retrograde. Nobody can do authority. Jupiter is in retrograde. The authority is going down. Okay. So again, at this point, Jupiter made a problem in not helping the Sun. And Sun and Venus are looking at the 10th house. This is a prick of fire that is going to spread around the world. Okay, guaranteed. Plus, Rahu is in 12th house. Things are going to change. Okay, there is a spark of change, and things are definitely going to change. Okay, let's see. This was the time when the girl died. Okay, Iranian girl. Now, 3 days later on, the protest started. Okay, let's take 3 days later on. That is 17th, 18th, 19th October. Okay, so at the 19th October in Iran, let's take the time of afternoon, around 5:30. Let's take 5. Okay, the protest started. What was the condition? Sun went in Virgo. Sun went in Virgo, and the ruler of Virgo, that is Mercury, is in retrograde. Sun, the central government is suffering like it has no intellect. The Mercury, the intellect is going reverse. The Sun doesn't have any intellect. Oh my God, what should I do? Central government does not have any intellect over there. What happened? How happened? Oh my God, this thing happened so big. People in Canada itself are protesting. People in USA are protesting. People in some other countries are protesting. They had to kill all the social media. Everything they had to do, but they still don't have how to control the protest. People are dying, getting into jail, being beaten up. Still, the protest is going on. Obviously, because when the girl died, Sun and Venus was watching the 10th house and Rahu was in 12th house. Do you think this is going to stop? This is not going to stop until and unless it is going to bring a change. Okay, and Jupiter and Saturn both are in retrograde. Neither money could stop it, neither authority could stop it. Nobody can stop it. Come on. And Moon is being separated from Mars. So now it is not an emotional outrage. It is a mega outrage because Mars went in the 4th house. Wherever the place of stay, wherever the person is staying at that place, there is outrage. Okay. So what I can predict over here is within a few course of time, food items are going to go in scarcity. People are going to be forced to stay at home. Okay, there is going to be because Mars is in 4th house. People are going to forced to be stay at home, and they will be forced to be like. See, 4th house Mars in mundane is like what do you say? Curfew. Curfew is coming, and because of the curfew, the food items will not be available. Because of that lack of food items, people are going to suffer. But Moon is ahead. Moon is in 5th house. The emotions are still helping them. Nobody is stopping them. Because their emotions went ahead of them. Jupiter, Saturn, both are in retrograde. Nothing is helping. Neither bride can help, no authority can help. Both the planets are in retrograde. Okay. And Sun again went in Virgo, whose Lord is in retrograde. So the central government does not have any power. The intellect is in retrograde. The government does not know what to do. The leader over there, Ibrahim something was name is in it. He doesn't know what to do. He's coming in the mind and speaking like, oh my God, we are still going to support hijabs and this and that, and I don't know how you would pass any comment. You yourself don't know what to do about the situation. You are still speculating, how this happened and how it happened. Took so much long, corrupting the social media and ending the social media. Do you think it is going to stop? It is not going to be stopped. The girl died when the Sun was looking at the 10th house, and also the Venus and Rahu in 12th house. This is not going to stop. Come on. So this was Iran thing. Okay, so see, three things happening during Mars Moon conjunction, Sun Venus conjunction. The reason was women. The sufferer was the government, and the effect was Mars and Moon. That is emotional outrage. But at three different times, three different reasons. One reason was suicide, another reason was killing, and third reason was a mistake. Okay, all the three reasons connected to Venus. And who was suffering? The government was suffering. Sun was suffering. Sun was in Sankranti, and it is moving on to a zodiac whose lord is already in retrograde. So right now there are three planets in retrograde: Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury. Okay, and because of Mercury being retrograde and Sun positioned in Virgo, Sun is suffering. Okay, so this is somewhat I think the best time to take your revenge on the government. Okay, because the government is not able to do anything. But let's not get into that way and go into all this kind of inner things. Okay, I am not supporting that things, but this was the case, and this is why things are happening in this way. Now let's take another world example, that is Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan war, which started on 14th 9 2022. Okay, and it was put down in 27 January 2022. Okay, so in January the war was down, shielded down, but in 14th of this month it again rose up. Okay, so let's take both of them. Okay, let's take both these things. Okay, see, on 27 January 2022. Okay, let's get into 27 January 2022. And let's take the time of noon. Okay, 12 noon. And Kyrgyzstan. Okay, let's take Kyrgyzstan and let's see. On 27 January 2022, Kyrgyzstan at 12 p.m. noon. Okay, when the war was subsided down, how was the position? Jupiter in 10th house. Power and authority was in 10th house. Ketu and Moon are together, so the things got subsided. But Ketu is in Moon. Mistake of the mind. The mind is getting a mistake. Mind is getting mistaken. When Moon and Ketu are together, Ketu is mistake, Moon is mind. So the mind is being mistaken that the things are down. Things are solved. Things are not solved. Okay. You see, Venus was in retrograde with Mars. Venus and Mars are together over here. On the previous thing, Mars was with Moon. Over here, Mars is with Venus. But Venus is in retrograde. Okay. And Sun and Saturn and Mercury are in conjunction. So whenever Sun and Saturn are in conjunction, boundary issues are going to be taken. Boundary issues. Why? Sun is father, Saturn is son. You don't keep a boundary between your father and son. Obviously there is going to be an outrage. Why wouldn't it be? Always. So Sun and Saturn are together, there are going to be some boundary issues. Problems related to keep boundary. Problems related to keeping boundaries intact. Okay, so what happened? Because Mercury was in retrograde with Sun and Saturn. Mercury is in retrograde. So the speech declined. So people did not want to solve the matter. They buried the matter. The matter was not solved on 27 January 2022. The matter was buried on 27 January 2022. Because Mercury is in retrograde and suppressed by Sun and Saturn. Which means it is suppressed. It is not solved. It is buried. Okay. And Mars was with Venus. Venus was also in retrograde. Okay. So there was no communication. They just shut down for time being. And what was it? Ketu and Moon, which means it was a mistake of the mind to think that the war is finished. War was not finished. Okay. Now let's see when the war again started. The war was again started on 14th 9 2022, the 14th of this month. Okay. So let's check 14th of September. Okay. 14th of September, same time, 12 noon. See, 14th of September, Moon goes with Rahu. At that time, Moon was with Ketu. Okay, so the mind was getting mistaken. Ketu is mistaken, Moon is mind. So mind was getting mistaken. But over here, Moon is with Rahu. The mistake is open. That it was not a solution. It was not a permanent solution of what was happening between Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan. No. Things got suppressed because of lack of intellect and lack of communication. Okay, so on the 14th, both of these realized the same thing. and the war was again started. What was common? What's common? Let's see what is common. Mars was in 8th house on 27th January 2022 with retrograde Venus. So the war is being solved because of Venus. Venus is water. Water is just chilling the fire. But on 14th September 2022, Mars is again in the 8th house. Mars is again in the 8th house, but now it does not have the support of Venus. Now Venus is gone with Sun. Okay, Venus went with Sun. Okay, and in Leo with Sun. So what happened? The outage began. Bacho. પાછું હથિયાર લઈને ચાલુ થઈ ગયા લોકો, કારણ કે વિનસ હોયો ગયો ને, જે શાંતિ દેતો હતો ઇગ્નાઇટ તો હોયો ગયો, અને પાછી ઈ જ પોઝિશન ઉપર માર્સ આવ્યો એટલે પાછું ત્યાંથી જ લડાઈ ચાલુ ઈ જ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર કે ત્યાંથી જ. સો ધ વોર સ્ટાર્ટેડ ફ્રોમ ધ સેમ પોઈન્ટ ફ્રોમ વેર ઇટ એન્ડેડ. ધ સેમ dispute, the same boundary dispute of Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan happened. Okay, because the last time Ketu moon gave a mistake to the mind that the things are solved. Things were not solved, things were buried because of retrograde Mercury. Okay, over here, Mercury is again getting separated from the Sun. So, all the things that were buried are erupting back. Okay, and the war again erupted back on this 14th September. And today itself in the morning I saw in the news that around 100 people died. Okay, so let's take today is 25th September, right? Let's take 24th September midnight, or let's take the midnight of 25th September. So if you see right now, Venus, Sun and Mercury are together in Virgo. Okay, and Mercury is again in retrograde. So communication issues are still troubling, but now Saturn is not there, Venus is there. Okay, so things are not getting buried. The Sun is getting suppressed because of Mercury and Venus. The government, the authority, the central government is feeling like, oh my god, I am so dumb, I can't do anything. How these things happen, how these things erupted. Like, they have no clue, and how to stop this, they have no clue. And get it in writing. They are not going to have any clue until Mercury is again going straight from retrograde or Sun is changing the sign. Until and unless Sun is in Virgo and Mercury is in retrograde, the authority of the central government won't have any solution. See, this is the difference between basic news and predictive news. What I am giving you, I am giving you a predictive news. I am making a prediction entirely on social media. The problems are not going to solve. The government problems, the central government problems are going to have no profound concrete solutions until and unless Mercury is again going to its straight path or Sun is changing its sign. Okay, when either of these things happens, the central government will get a solution, and that solution will be getting started to implementation. Okay, until that time, there is a confusion in the central government always. Okay, so this is the predictive news. And again, Saturn is in retrograde. There is no bride working anywhere. Okay, and still fight is going on because Mars is now Mars went in the 12th house when around 100 people died in Kyrgyzstan. Okay, the Mars was in 12th house, and this Mars is in 12th house, so around, let's take 26. Okay, let's see 26. On 26th, Mars is still in the 12th house. Still more people are going to die. But in around a day or so, new tactics of fights are going to start up. Okay, new tactics of fights are going to go into the war. Okay, because sun and moon are together. Okay, some new method of fighting is going to start. Same in the Ukrainian war, but I don't have time to explain the Ukrainian war. I'll make a next video precisely on the date when the Ukraine was invaded the first time, the issues that started because of the communication of Russian and Ukrainian sides, and when the war started, that particular chart of when the war started, and today's chart of Ukraine. Okay, but it was nice talking about something new out of the box today, and we are going to keep on having this conversation anytime some new outrages begin, and some, like, let's say if I can spare some time daily to give predictive news, I'll be coming daily. So keep holding on to Vishwakranti predictive astrology news. Okay, with Vedic Virada. Thank you very much, and we'll keep in touch. Thank you.